Hey guys, the last 2 days, myself and a few other realtors have been working on setting up a GoFundMe with a nonprofit so that we can collect donations to go and buy campers for those that have lost everything. If you're able to, please donate. We're real estate agents and we put people in homes, so this is kind of a no-brainer. We need your help. So there are 6,000 plus real estate agents in the Tennessee Knoxville market. So all we need for you to do is donate $100 and we can reach our goal of $500,000 so we can buy up to 40 new campers to put these people that lost everything back into a home, even if it's temporarily. I'll post the GoFundMe link and the landing page so that you can go and check out our mission. We want to make sure that we support the locals that we serve every single day. We're not in this by ourselves, we're in this together. We can't wait for the government to step in and help us. We need your help. The landing page should be up shortly. We're heading to Camping World right now to go check out some campers, and we're going to be working with Camper World to make sure that we can execute this in a timely manner. Go to helptennesseerebuild.com.